Okay, so, gosh, I wish I had a chest mount for this. That would be ideal. But we, after fixing this, there's a piece that's missing from inside this hole right here, and I can't find it. So, essentially, we need to. Oh my gosh. Essentially, we need to tear the truck apart, and hopefully it's in here. Otherwise, we're gonna have to go to LMC, and hopefully they have it. So let's pop the seat forward. Oh, jeez. Okay, so there's one door panel. No door panel over there. I found this back here. These two things, the ashtray and the dash panel here, that goes right there, which is nice to have. So let's see what else we got back here. I'm just gonna open this portal for trash. Let's see, we've got alternator harness. Cool, throw that up there. We've got some, okay, this was a stereo bezel. So here's our stereo bezel. That's, maybe LMC has that, but let's put that up there for now. Sock. Oh, there's like a cargo cover or something right here. I'm not interested in dealing with that right now, so that just goes on the ground. Let's see. Okay, so because I'm the one who sold this truck, there's a puff bar thing in here. Because I'm the one who sold this truck, I know what this is. This is a AM/FM CB radio combination dealio, so you can do like your, oh, so it was just cut off in there. So you can see on the other side here, you can use one antenna for both of them, but that's annoying. Okay, and then we've got our stereo plug here. This is my work for sure. So, yep. Soldered and all that. Hopefully that's usable. Probably not. Okay, this goes to the ashtray. There's a child sock back here. This goes to a stereo that used to be in here, a very rare and expensive one, but whatever. Maybe that still exists. Probably not. Let's see. Okay, so this is our old door panel, and it is fragile. All right, let's get some documentation on this. So we've got the wood grain here, chrome around here, and then this is padded. So the speaker hole, oh, I don't know if you guys can see like how terrible that is. Not good anymore. Oh, found another piece of it. All right, this is to our bong. Let's go around to the other side. All right, so got some trash in there. Got an Egg McMuffin wrapper. Oh my gosh. Okay. All right, cool. I touched that. Well, I'm gonna wash my hands. This is probably important. Square head bolt. This is probably not so important. This is some sort of resistor or something. Let's put this up here. All right. Got our cigarette lighter in here. don't know if it does anything. Yeah, not really anything under the seat there. Explains why this truck is so sticky, though. It's got all the freaking lube on her. She's a lubricated gal, I'll tell you what. Cool. Well, that was quick and easy. What does this go to? Okay, so we got a black handle, a clear handle, and a black handle. Look at that. Oh, and then we just got a self-tapper in there. That's a good time. All right. Let's see. Got a Max Auto Parts magazine in here. New Bronco section. I'm a big fan of LMC, so let's see. What's that receipt to? This receipt is to something. Well, can't see anything on it, so no good to me. Oh, we got a bucket of water. Oh, geez. I'm afraid to touch that. All right, we got a battery terminal cover from a Kia. Oh, this is to my... all right. Honestly, we don't need any of this. And then, oh, I wonder if this is for the radio. Oh, yep. So this goes to our antenna over here. So we're just going to tuck this right up in the dashboard. There we go. There we go. That way we don't cut that. Now, this thing here is pretty finicky, so I'm going to leave this open because otherwise you have to reach through there to close it. All right, we have some sort of sway bar link or something. Is there a part number on here? Duralast stabilizer bar link. Okay, I can find out what that goes to. Maybe this goes to the truck. Possibly not. So this is original to the truck. These are like $100 a set. Not too bad. I really don't like having mismatched stuff. Personality flaw. And then we have some mystery fluid here. Oh, transmission fluid. So this doesn't even take automatic transmission fluid. So, or maybe it does. Maybe I'm wrong. All right, let's get all these things out of here. I don't know what this is, so I'm gonna hang on to that. Those can all go. We've got an old belt here. I'm just gonna toss. All right, cool. Our truck is clean. Wow, there was almost nothing useful in here. This I bought and I'm going to return because it wasn't bad. This I bought and I'm going to return because it wasn't bad. This is a tool that I brought into here. So the extent of useful things in here would be this, which is broken. So price check that. This, which who knows if it's even transmission fluid anymore. And I don't think that's useful. I probably shouldn't hold on to it, but yeah, cool. That's the extent of useful stuff that was inside of the, well, I guess in all this stuff up here, but it's nice to have this here so we can have a nice dashboard the way it's supposed to be. This is going to get cleaned by a toothbrush and such before it goes back, but you know, the inside of a truck, you gotta have, it's just gotta be nice. Like, look at this. Like, the inside of your car, just have it nice, you know? I'm tempted to go through here, see. Can't use this because it's got a bend in it right there, so that's useless. This probably made some stuff. This is obviously There's a Ford part here, but this didn't have one of these, so this goes to probably some 80s Ford if I were to guess. We got a sway bar like here. Air hose fitting. We've got an aux cord. Oh heck yeah, dude! We got a freaking Excel Superstar in here. It's leaking oil. That's good. Oh my gosh. Oh, got some floor mats. Those are disgusting. Let's see. We got a. Oh, that's missing the grill. We got a stereo here. Was it ever any good? Nope. Oh, this was an old one too. Let's see. We got a Pioneer, 35 watts. I'm trying to see if there's like a date on it. Usually there's a date on this sticker, but it's so worn out. But this is how you can tell it's old. It's got this old style plug. This is called a Molex connector, I believe. And they haven't used those since early 2000s, probably 90s. Oh gosh. See, we got a Camaro fender in here, speaker. Oh, look at that. It's the original, and there's our unspeakable bottle. Yeah, and then a gas can that I put back here. Seems like the bed still exists up here. Gosh, I can't wait to clean this out. Maybe rhino line it or something. Oh, lubricator dust in there, I bet. Cool. Well, if you like this, subscribe.